It's on. Bugger. Alright, this is a poem. It's called The Sound of Me. The slow throb of each string, the bass line begins. Hidden just underneath, cymbals wink. In the background, a flute giggles. A squad of violins start to march. A raging lead guitar blasts out. A pause of quiet filled with doubt. Lead guitar kicks back in, then drops away again. Spoons on knees make a play. The sound of 1,000 drums fill the space. A synth begins to whisper through. A sitar guides into view. Every instrument joins as one. The sound of me in every note. There you go.